How to save photos in Google Drive in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can save photos in Google Drive in iPhone. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, you'll need to download your Google Drive. For that, locate your App Store. On the App Store, search for Google Drive. After you search for Google Drive, download the application. After you've downloaded it, you can then open it up and then log in into your Google account. Open up your Google Drive. And after you're here, on My Drive section, you can create a folder. Now you can directly upload your photos too, but for better organization, you can just create a folder of your photos. So tap on the plus icon on the bottom right here. Tap on create folder. And on the folder, you can name it pictures. Then tap on the create option. Now you can head over inside the pictures and then tap on the plus icon again. Then tap on upload file. Now select photos and videos and then your gallery should open up. After you're here, select the photos that you want to upload. Then tap on the upload button on the top right. After you tap on that, tap on upload again. And then your photos will start getting saved. So there you can see the estimated time remaining and how much percentage of it's done and stuff like that. So after you've done with that, you're basically good to go. And that's how you save photos in Google Drive in your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.